Install the front iron bracket 8 left and right and FI exit with screws. Install the front iron bracket 9 left and right and fix it with screws. Install iron support 6 left and right and secure it with screws. Install iron support 3 left and right and secure it with screws. Install iron support 7 left and right. Install iron support 4 left and right. Install iron support 1 left and right and secure it with screws. Install front bumper grille left and right and secure with clips. Install front bumper grille center. Install front bumper left and right and secure them with fasteners. Install the bumper chrome and secure them with fasteners. Install the low front bumper chrome and secure them with fastener. Install the main body of the grille and secure it with clasps. Assemble the front bumper bracket 1 and the front bumper bracket 2. Install them to the front bumper and fix them with rivets. Install the main body of grille and secure it with clasps. Install iron brackets for the front bumper. 5. Secure them with screws. Install iron brackets for the front bumper. 3. Secure them with screws. Assemble front engine lower left, middle and right guard plate and install it under the car. After installing the hood, fix it with screws and adjust the gap. Install the fender left and right and fasten the top and bottom with screws. Install the headlights left and right and connect the wiring harness. Install welded iron bracket 2 left and right to the back of the headlight and secure with screws. Polish the anti-collision beam of the original car to the indicated position. Install the lock of the original engine cover and fasten it with screws. Install the original spray decorative plate and fix it with screws. Install thermal insulation foam on the hood. Install front bumper and secured with screws. Install the license plate and secure with screws. Install the blade strips left and right and secure with double-sided tape. Install fender lining left and right and secure with screws. Install the rubber strip. Install the cover decorative glitter and secure with double-sided tape. Install side mirror left and right and secure with screws. The tailpipe bracket, left and right, and the muffler assembly, left and right, are to be combined and installed, then secured with screws. Install the tailpipe assembly, left and right, and secure it with rivets. Install the rear bumper trim strips, left and right, and secure them with clips. Install the towing cover trim strip and secure it with clips. Install the center rear bumper trim strip and secure it with clips. Install the left and right rear bumper reflectors and secure them with clips. Install the lower rear bumper trim strip. Install the left and right side rear bumper trim strips. Install the rear bumper kick sensor bracket. Install the tailpipe connecting pipe. The rear fender must not be cut beyond the spring bracket. Install the rear quarter panel. Note, the circled area may interfere with the rear hood and requires tapping for adjustment. Install the original vehicle tailgate lock. Install the left and right guide bracket for the rear bumper and secure them with screws. Install the rear bumper brackets, left and right, and secure them with screws. Install the rear bumper. Install the water drain channels, left and right. Install the tail lights, left and right, and secure them with screws. Install the license plate light mounting bracket for the rear tailgate. Install the rear tailgate sound insulation pad. Install the center rear tailgate trim strip and secure it with clips.